Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to remove saved password from Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and head over to your account and then tap on the three lines icon on the top right. And here go to account settings. Now go to your information and permissions. Now go to download your information. Here you can download your information and it will include your password too. But in current update of Instagram, the removing account information option is now not here. So you have to go to the help center and ask for your account saved password removal. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.